Hi everyone, Alex Kim here, your chair for YPN. Here are 3 tips and advice on what I'm doing to stay productive during this time of shelter in place. 1. I'm reaching out to each of my sphere individually through calling, texting, and writing letters to send out to them just to check in on them and to make sure they have enough essentials to last them for the next few weeks. If not, I can find resources to help them get what they need. 2. I'm going over my profit and loss statement for my business and personal life and labeling each category as unwanted expenses and my wants and lifestyle expenses, my needs, and anything that I can reduce or replace with cheaper alternatives. And for the unnecessary expenses, I've chosen a date so that way I can cancel or get rid of the unnecessary expenses during that time. And so far I've saved a little over $1,200 by doing that. My third is Zoom calling with friends, family, agents, and other vendors just to mastermind about the market and just checking in on how they're doing and what they've been doing throughout the days, whether it's something silly or something productive. It's just great to share and have that bond. I've also seen parents on Facebook sharing what they've been doing with their kids, such as science projects or home projects. They're making it educational and fun. So this is a great bonding time. And just remember, what we focus on expands. So instead of focusing on all the negatives, let's focus on the positives of what we can do. This is a time for us to work on ourselves.
Hey everyone, Sean Tannenbaum here, your Vice Chair at YPN. I'm here to give you a few tips on social media itself. One of my biggest takeaways with social media would be Facebook and having a personal and a business account. One of the biggest things why you want to have a business account is because you can run ads that way. If you have just a personal account, you cannot run ads on a personal account. Another thing would be, talking about with Instagram, if I should have a business account or a personal account. Well, the nice thing is that you can actually take your personal account and just change it right into a business account. You don't have to create 2 different profiles, which is nice. Facebook, you have to create 2 different profiles. And the last tip I want to give you guys is going to be regarding Instagram and Instagram TV or IGTV. So if you were to post a video to your page on Instagram and it's less than a minute, it will be directly posted right there. But if you have a video that's over a minute, it will be posted and you have the option to post it to Instagram TV, which is IGTV. So basically any video that's under a minute, it'll go directly to your profile. If it's a video over a minute, it'll be on IGTV.
Hey everyone, this is Elisa Chow with YPN. I'm just hopping on really fast to give you guys 3 quick tips on how I keep my business going in this shelter-in-place directive. So the first tip would be to contact your sphere. It's a great time to connect with them and stay in touch with them and just see how they're doing. My second tip would be to maintain contact with your existing clients and just, remind them that you're still here and answer any questions that they may have. My third tip would be to not work in your pajamas. I find that I'm the most productive when I actually get out of bed and change into something casual and come work at my desk. Anyways, I hope these tips have been helpful and I really hope to see everyone soon.
Thank you for listening and checking out our video.